To print grade reports for MyFunScience classes, or to print a transcript of all classes taken, you'll need to start by logging into the student account. Once you've logged in, go to the top, choose Courses, then select a course to get grades. Once you're in that course, on the top right, you'll select Grades on the drop-down menu and click Grade Report. You'll notice that the Grade Report menu will bring up current classes as well as prior classes. In the top upper right corner, you'll see Download Student Report. Click that button. Then choose the grading period that you'd like to print. Click Next and choose the classes you would like to print. You can print a single class, or you can select all classes depending on your needs. Then click Submit. Once you've done that, you'll have a grade report that includes a MyFunScience logo as well as the course information for that particular student. Also, if you would like an in-depth grade report for a particular class that doesn't simply include the average, but more in-depth assignments, go back to the class page, click on Grades on the left side of the page. From this, you can choose simply a summary of fall and spring. You can choose a list of the grade categories, or you can choose individual grades to print. When you've selected whatever best fits your needs, then in your browser window, click Print so that you can print your individual student grades.